But good morning again. My name is Al Dorsey, and I am the director of the Men's Center here. And we act have five main focuses for our center. But before I get into those, I just want to tell you a little bit about the Men's Center in the sense of this physical space, but also some of the things we can do for you. But basically, it's a place where you can come in and relax. We help you with your academic support, as well as some personal support as well. We meet as groups and also as individuals to help you students to cultivate and to get the things that you need from Lone Star before you decide to transfer or before you go into your actual career, going through career services in the sense of finding a job. But the main thing is just a place where you can come and relax and understand that we're here for you. Definitely the word resource, I would say definitely is an important word for all of our centers, is to use it as a resource just to help you get the things you need. And we also have resources with organizations outside of the campus that will help you in the sense of if you need jobs, or also if you just need to have some people to contact to enhance your personal things personally as well as academically as well. So we just want to get connected. That's the main thing. And to physically, we can't do it at this point, but definitely stay tuned for our virtual programming and the things that we're doing and being very innovative. I have to say it's challenged us, but it also helped us to grow to do these virtual programs. So I say stay tuned. We have some events coming up, but I'll get into the main focus of the Men's Center. Basically, we have 5 areas, all centered around mentoring, but we have financial planning, leadership development, recruitment, financial planning, and financial assistance, but also want to be able to help you in the sense of mentoring. Like I said, as group mentoring as well as individual mentoring. We also have, mentoring is basically a buddy system for us where we help you to set goals and also to be able to interact with other men. And we do excellent programming where we talk about manhood, masculinity, and things like that. The academic support, we do some academic coaching. We also do in the sense of time management, study skills, as well as career planning. Again, we'll connect you with careers, as well as tutorials or tutoring that's available also. Leadership development, we have some excellent events and programs that we're going to do, again, virtually, but mainly is to help you to grow and to, and the media that we use will basically be in the sense of virtual, but we also help you in the sense of doing them in the sense of symposiums, forums, but again, being virtual is going to be really good this year. We have some excellent speakers, and I'll tell you a little bit about those right at the end. In the sense of recruitment, we believe in getting to the schools to help young men understand the importance of an education is the main thing. We do it in several different ways. We have a program called EAGLE, which stands for Engaging and Growing Leaders into Excellency and Success, as well as Him and Him program, which is African American Institute and Hispanic Institute for Males that we have during the summer for middle schoolers. So those are 2 areas that we really go out and help young men understand the importance of an education and how Lone Star College can help them. Financial assistance, there's opportunities for work study, but also being able to have workshops to understand financial aid, not just at Lone Star, but when you decide to transfer, how that can help you enhance your college career and help you to pay for it as well. Some of the outstanding events that we have, actually we have one 2 weeks from now. It'll be September 14th. It's actually called the Barbershop Grooming Tips. Based on COVID, we probably hadn't had a chance to visit our barbers regularly, but they also, by the guy working for us, is actually out of North Carolina, and he's going to be talking to us about grooming tips, not just of hair, but also in the sense of skincare and things like that. So we're pretty excited about that. And then thereafter, very soon after, we have one called Power, Privilege, and the Difference. 2 gentlemen that are going to be speaking for us, Judge Madlock and also Richard Torres. That's going to be on September 29th. So we're looking forward to both of those events. And those will be events for September, but stay tuned. We'll have some events in October, all the way through the end of the year. So we're looking forward to it. Thank you for tuning in today. And the main thing is just to get connected. We're gonna, at the end, we're gonna have some emails and contact information. Definitely contact us so that we can help you get to where you wanna go. Thank you.